Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change the front gear case and the transmission oil on our 2015 Polaris RZR 900S. Pretty simple to do. Let me go grab a couple of tools and I'll show you how to get it done. Alright guys, this is going to be a skill level 1, so it's really going to be easy. And let's go over the tools that you're going to need to pull this off. Also a very short list. As always, a decent ratchet, a couple of different extensions, and an 8mm Allen. And as always, a good torque wrench. All right, if you would, reference our exploded diagrams. They'll actually show you where the fill and the drain plugs are for the front diff as well as the transmission. All right, as far as the oil, there's two different types, so make sure you get the correct quantity of each. So, once you've got your parts and your oil together, I can go over there and show you how to get it done. All right, we're going to start with the front gear case. First thing we need to do is go ahead and pull the fill plug. That way it'll actually drain out. Now how often should you be doing this? Well, Polaris says every 100 hours or 1,000 miles. And I know this unit has 102 hours on it at the moment and a little over 1,100 miles. So I'm curious if they've actually changed this or not. My instinct says no. So let's see what comes out. And this is just an 8mm Allen for both the fill plug and the drain. Alright, that doesn't look too bad, but it didn't seem like it was that much volume coming out. So I believe she holds right at 8 ounces. Alright, let's take a peek at our drain plugs. That actually has a magnet at the end of it. Yeah, that's not too bad. And that's pretty much normal to see some of the wear accumulate on the end of this. We want to make sure that this little O-ring down at the bottom is in good shape. We've got the magnet cleaned off, so now we just need to reinstall it. I can grab my torque wrench and we're going to take it to 10 foot-pounds. There it is. And what I'm looking for here is making sure there's no milky discoloration. If it looks like milk, then it probably has water intrusion. It could be game over for your front gear case if it's really milky, and it's going to wear it really quick. But this one, it looks good to go, so let's go ahead and get it refilled. All right, your front gear case actually uses a different fluid compared to the transmission. Then I've just got a standard Polaris pump and a little bit of a hose on the front of it. We'll just fill it up until it runs over a little bit. Like I said, it only holds about 7.5, maybe 8 ounces. There it is. It doesn't take much to fill it up. Take that out. Let's get the fill plug in there now. And it actually has the same torque as the drain plug, so 10 foot-pounds. All right, next I'm going to go clean out that fluid pump, and we're going to go tackle the transmission. So let's go. Go ahead and remove the fill plug. And light the front. It's just an 8mm Allen. Make sure that your O-ring's still in good shape. It is, so I think we can reuse that. And now let's go ahead and get the transmission drained out. All right, don't see much wear on the magnet, so it's looking to be in pretty good shape. Wouldn't wipe off any fragments that may still be on there. Like I said, the O-ring looks to be in good shape. So, looks like she's pretty much finished draining. Let's go ahead and get the drain bolt back in there. We're going to take it to 14 foot-pounds. All right, I've got the hand pump cleaned out that we used up front. So now we just need to fill it up. It's going to take about 40 ounces. So it's the AGL fluid back here and Demand Drive up front, like I said earlier. So let's go ahead and start filling her up. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure the machine's level. Otherwise, you may have too much or not enough. If you're sitting on an incline on your driveway, probably need to compensate for that. All right, we've got our second bottle hooked up. Let's go ahead and finish filling her up. All right, she's starting to run out, so it is full. All right, let's get our fill plug back in. Same torque as the drain, so 14 foot-pounds. Well, all right, guys, that pretty much wraps this one up. Told you it was going to be simple. Well, listen, if you need any of the parts that we use to do this, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Till next time, we just want to say thanks for watching.